In this video, I will demonstrate how UiPath Autopilot interacts with SAP. 1. Retrieving purchase orders. 2. Tracking specific order details. 3. Creating a new order with AI assistance. 4. Displaying a PO with multiple items. Step 1. Retrieving purchase orders. We begin by requesting, "Give me the list of purchase orders from SAP." UiPath Autopilot interprets the command and identifies a relevant process named getList in SAP. Autopilot recommends executing this process, which operates in the background using REST API GET commands. After the process completes, Autopilot displays a list of the 20 most recent purchase orders, ensuring quick access to the required data. Step 2. Tracking specific order details. To gain deeper insights, I issue the command, "Give me more details about PO number 979. The system recognizes the request and calls the appropriate process. Upon checking the SAP interface, I see that PO 979 includes an item named TradeGood 10, with a quantity of 1, supplied by Carrier 1. Autopilot displays these details clearly, including the order number, supplier information, item code, and quantity. Step 3. Creating a new order with AI. Next, I instruct Autopilot, "Please create a PO similar to the last order displayed but with a quantity of 4. Despite minor spelling errors in my command, Autopilot's AI accurately interprets and processes the request. It retrieves the details from PO 979 and creates a new order incorporating the updated quantity. The system suggests the create order in SAP process, which leverages BAPI for execution. Once completed, in this case, the Autopilot triggers an attended process in UiPath that utilizes BAPI commands. However, the system is also capable of integrating with REST API server processes, as demonstrated in the first two processes. Additionally, the system supports UI automation, which can be executed using either attended or unattended robots. Autopilot confirms the creation of PO 1020, featuring TradeGood 10 with a quantity of 4 PCS. Verification in the SAP interface confirms the new order, displaying supplier Carrier 1, item TradeGood 10, and the updated quantity. Step 4. Displaying a PO with multiple items. Finally, I command, "Give me details about PO 984. Autopilot suggests the Get Details process and executes it via REST API. The SAP interface reveals that PO 984 is linked to supplier USSU and includes 3 line items with codes 10, 20, and 30. Switching back to Autopilot, the interface displays all items systematically, presenting each line item with its associated details in a structured and user-friendly manner. Conclusion: UiPath Autopilot, combined with well-constructed workflows, enables seamless communication with SAP through natural language commands. This eliminates the need for in-depth knowledge of SAP's interface or advanced configurations like SAP Fiori. By leveraging AI-driven automation, users can efficiently manage processes, such as retrieving, analyzing, and creating purchase orders, while enhancing productivity and operational accuracy.